glasses?
Your glass.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. I haven't uploaded recently, so I hope you guys enjoy. So today I'm gonna be eating a beefy mini quesadilla.
It's not really a mukbang, it's more like a starving bong.
Okay, whatever. Anyways, this is like the only restaurant that serves the beefy mini quesadilla because I've gone to other Taco Bells that are only Taco Bell.
You're annoying the customers.
Shut up. And they don't have it. So, shut up. Okay, so this is a KFC. This is a KFC and Taco Bell, and they do have this item. This is exclusive to this parlor only. So let's see what I got. So this is what the beefy mini quesadilla looks like. Delicious. And let's open it up to see. Oh yes, looks great. I'm gonna eat it now.
El esposo de Fatima, ¿o cómo? Fatima?
Shut up. I'm sorry.
Ahorita te caes muy mal. Por eso a veces ya no quiero estar contigo.
I'm trying to do my video. Okay, sorry. What were you saying? Es que no quiero que salga en el video. It's confidential.
¿Qué? YouTube video no es de verdad.
So good.
You're telling there.
So we're gonna try something new and dip it in some ranch sauce. I hear it's really good. Is it good?
I've never tried it.
Why would you tell me to do this?
Yeah, so you just need me Hawaiian shirt.
It was a risk. I was willing to take. It wasn't good. By the way, I don't want to use a straw because it's what? It's bad for turtles. Delicious.
Como que hay una gente que son sucios.
So good.
No, turn that shit off after you hit.
Why are you so rude to me?
Because you just do the shit like that. We haven't seen each other in 5 days.
No se me deja exagerado. We saw each other on Monday. We went to Pindogs.
But you were ugly.
So because I was ugly, it doesn't count.
Yeah, and you're being ugly right now. So 5 days don't count you.
Okay, whatever. My favorite mukbanger is Wendy's cooking show.
Steph Papas.
No, Wendy's cooking show.
Steph Papas.
Wendy's cooking
Steph
show.
Papas.
I love her.
Steph Papas is really good.
Her one video
She
with the
recently
taco.
went to California.
Shut up! Oh my god!
Have you heard that Steph Papas went to California? Guess who went to California? Guess who went to California? Guess who's in My face looks really nice today. And then, here. That looks amazing.
Oh, thanks. I'm posting
Let's
this.
drink well, you know what? Drink it. I believe I'm not sick anymore.
You got a fever. So that's me on them. And now I'm gonna eat some green beans. They look like this. So
Also known as frijoles.
these are also known as frijoles verdes or habichuelas.
Ejote.
Ejote, Mexican. Yeah. I really like these green beans. do eat really good. You sure you don't want to be part of the cast?
¿Cómo? ¿Robichuela?
Rogichuelas. You just... Why do you annoy me? I said habichuela. You combine my dog's name, which you also say it wrong, with habichuelas.
Wait, how do you say your dog's name?
Yogi. And you say rogi. Rogichuelas. You just like making up noises and you make fun of me. Oh my god.
That sounds delicious.
You sure you don't want to be part of the cast?
Oh well, did you see Step Papa potatoes? Like fries?
Yeah, it was really good. Hold on.
Like how she put it on the skillet? Did you see that?
Yeah, I
When
saw
did
that.
you see it?
Yesterday when you told me to go see it. So good.
Tell me what this is Step Papa.
So good. I know I'm gonna sound redundant, but this is like so good. If there's any people on the back, can you cover them with your head? Just go like poop.
I'm a free spirit and I can do whatever.
Do you have more? Can I have like some?
What is this, bread?
Yeah, so I can look good.
Oh no. No.
It's okay, it didn't taste like that, and I'm still eating it. Give me a bite so I can look good eating.
Okay, come move. Let me get another spoon.
No, just I don't want to move. I already sat down. It's gonna look bad for the video. You don't have this. Or you can use your... Can I have a bite of the bacon?
What bacon?
I mean, of the biscuit?
Biscuit?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Feed me.
¿Qué dijiste?
I said feed me.
No, before.
That was good.
¿Qué dijiste? Feed me or eat me?
Oh my god, Bruno, I have to cut that out of the video.
I didn't understand what you said.
I said feed me.
I can do both.
Oh my god, I hope it's...
I'm sorry.
So now we're gonna eat the
No,
mashed
stop.
potatoes. Shut up.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I want to put it. I want to put it on the video.
Imagínate que estás comiendo la patata.
¿Qué?
Imagínate que estás comiendo la. Hazle por encima.
Went in a meeting. Okay. Next up we have. By the way, these are reusable. It says it right here, and I love that for the environment. Anyway, so next up we have the mashed potatoes, and it comes in a container like this, and it's 8 ounces. So let's open it up.
You know, it takes like 150 years for styrofoam to recycle.
150 years?
Or 1,050 years, I forgot.
Look it up. Leave it in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, I have, this is what the mashed potatoes look like. I've done better in my years. Can I? No way.
No, what is it?
It's my mukbang.
Yeah,
Stop.
exactly.
Stop.
What's mine is yours.
Okay, but like, let me
Come
start
listen.
it.
What's mine is yours, and what mine is mine.
Okay, like, let me start it.
No,
though.
what yours is mine. Come on, listen.
I'll wait until you figure it out.
Yours is mine. Oh my God, Raquel.
What?
Because there was a tornado, and so everything started moving, and then nothing
Talk to the
happened.
camera.
Nothing happened.
Nothing's happened, guys. Talk to my audience. My non-existing
So
audience.
basically, look. So I was like, so all the phones started ringing, right? So I picked mine up, and I was like, hello, thank you for calling First National Bank. My name is Fernando, how can I help you? And they said, oh yeah, no, well, somebody called us, corporate security called us, and they're like, oh my God, so the bank is on lockdown. Any customer that's in there has to stay in there. The what's the safe room? Tornado safe room is the safe. So go in there.
Yeah, makes sense.
So go in there.
By the way, guys, we work at a bank.
Different brains. Mine is
bank.
better, less known but better.
Yeah, well, I'm not even gonna say anything. I don't want to start beef.
No, but Tima wanted to get a job at Wells Fargo. And then she noticed it was really busy all the time.
By the way, I'm gonna have a mukbang coming soon with one of my closest friends. It's gonna be a pandas mukbang, so be on the lookout with that. For that, Lorena. I asked her. She said she's gonna do it like next week.
I forgot you had friends. I really did. I was like, who's your friend?
I have friends. My dog.
Your mom.
My mom.
Your dad.
No, my dad. My dad.
Dad. That is dad. Dad for your dad. Now move for your mom. Move.
Oh my god, that was such a dad joke.
Call me daddy.
No. Okay, so that was, we're gonna finish, we're gonna wait until he finishes eating.
Oh my god. So, I was telling you. So we went into a safe, and then we have like this like thing. We went in there. Y corre ya. Like, nothing's gonna happen. Madre, va afuera y que se cae. And then I'm going home. After everything was done, he's like, I'm going home.
Oh my god, for me, I was taking a test, right? It was like a learning zone kind of thing for the bank. Yeah.
Sure.
And so I was taking it, and I was like, hey, Abby, can you help me? Can you check my answers? And she's like, da 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 da. And then like I got it wrong. Then I take it a second time, and I was like, G1, can you help me? And then, I mean, my manager comes and helps me, and then and then she gets a 70, right? And then the other teller comes and he helps me, and he gets like a 50, so like bit worse than before. And then I'm over here trying to take
so
the
you have
assessment.
to get an 80, right?
I have to get an 80 to pass. And I'm over here taking the assessment, and like for the I could not pass it. And like then one of the tellers started taking the same assessment, and like the manager helped them, right? And they still didn't pass.
So nobody passed?
Nobody passed. It's really hard. And I was like,
So,
we didn't study for that. I'm gonna be honest.
So me and Stephanie have been taking this fucking. So me and my other teller have been taking this one for like 3 weeks now, and we can't pass it.
I have so many. I have like 8. Well, it's not that many. Like it was worse before. It was like 20, but now I have like 8 maybe. And I'm like, I have till the end of the year. It's okay.
Oh, you do? I have to like June.
Well, no, they go by months, but you still have to do them before the end of the year. I'm such a procrastinator, guys.
I am too. Like I do nothing at my job, and I still end up being busy when it's ready to leave.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm supposed to be like organizing my money and like looking at my batch work, making sure I didn't mess up. Like I lost like $200. I don't know how.
I've never lost money.
It's not my fault. It's the customer's fault. I tell them to check.
It's never. Customer's always right.
Okay, whatever. Okay, anyways, this is it for this mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day. Bye.
It's more like evening, but I don't know. Say have a nice rest of your day.
Have a nice rest of your life. Bye.
No. It's not like that.
Okay, then you say it.
See you back on this channel. No, wait. Like and subscribe.
See you. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. See you when I see you.
No, I don't think of like that. It would be like, so that wraps up this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You make sure you like and subscribe. That
Should I do like a Disney thing that wraps up?
more like a Raquel.
Okay, anyways, bye.